Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I gonna go to Hermes boutique in Beverly Hills. And I gonna get something for Christmas gift for my friend. And also see if there's anything I can get. As you know, the Paris headquarters, they don't produce a lot of bags. So it's pretty much empty or not like the major bags you can see. The display section is filled with so many things, even shoe and belt. I'm trying to get nail polish for Christmas gift. What do you think? Let's check it out shoe section. There are some new shoes you can see. I love this ankle boot. Love the stud on the side. I like the stud on the top of the ankle loafer. How about this Oasis sandal? Love the zebra print. I like this new orange color. The color name is Rose Sorbet and there's a blonde color with a stud on it. How about this Oz mule? It looks so comfy. This blink mule is kind of feminine, also like chic. I love it. Now, let's check it out, ready-to-wear section. So these are the one from last season, and there's a new season coming in a week. Seems like these are still available, but I love to get SS collection. In a week, it's gonna be launching, so my essay will show a little bit of piece from the new season, so we'll see what's coming. Love this Barbie pink color. I love this short padded jacket. So let's have a sneak peek for SS 2022 collection. They didn't have all the item yet, but I could see some pieces, so I will try on these. This one is bike shorts. I thought it's a skirt, but it was shorts. These bike shorts are pretty short, but I think you can match with this kind of top. Kind of young, casual style. I couldn't find this skirt from homepage, but yeah, I think this is similar one. I love this top with this skirt. It's so chic. And the orange color is typical Hermes orange color. I couldn't find this top either, but like I think I could try. Just it looks like a little bit tight fit, but it's good with this skirt. I like this maxi dress. You know, they have a little bit short length for the dress, but I like it. It's very casual, but also feminine. The hip side is a little bit tight, so I would get a little bit bigger size. And I love this sweater. It is, I think, 100 cashmere. And it's so light and so soft. I highly recommend this. I'm waiting for my size. This was size 40, which is a little bit too big, so I'm waiting for like 38. This is home section. You can see so many kinds of like unique like home goods. There's a furniture, throw pillow, like all the thing for the home. You can see so many things like interesting. This is the baby section. And voila, all these plates, so pretty. Yeah, so if you are interested in this kind of homeware, you can try to ask your salesperson. There are so many kinds. I would love to get some like ashtray or like change tray or like a coffee cup. Hope you enjoyed my shopping vlog and see you soon again. Bye!